Today I'm going to teach you how to add these clean viral caption animations to your short form content in under 60 seconds. Let's go. So right now we're inside of Premiere Pro. First up, I've linked to a free MoGRT template that you can download, link below in the description. Now we also have this AI creator mode Claude plugin, which is built specifically for content creators. There's a bunch of free tools in it, and within it are these free templates. So if you go to the motion graphics tab, you can see there's a bunch of different free templates in here. And this plugin feature right here with all these free templates is free to use forever. Like actually, there's no subscription. And if you like any of these templates, you literally just click apply MoGRT and it instantly applies them to your video. They're all in 4K, so because this is a smaller video, I have to actually scale these down. As you can see, you just click on these MoGRTs and you can change this text to say whatever you want. So if you want to type your name, you can do so, and it automatically adjusts the box so that the box fits the exact word. You can change things like the color as well. You can make it green, blue, you can make it whatever color you want, and it's literally as simple as clicking apply MoGRT, or if you want to install the MoGRT file, I've linked to the separate MoGRT file down below, and to install that MoGRT, you just go to your graphics templates panel and then you drag that MoGRT file to this graphics templates panel, and you can see we have all of these templates. Yes, you can build this from scratch, and if you want, I can make an After Effects tutorial going over all the animation controls, but if you want to just use this free template, just go ahead and drag and drop it from your graphics templates panel, or you can install the AutoEdit Content Creator Mode plugin. Like I said, it has a free motion graphics applier. There's also a free image paster, a free silence cutter, free sound effects, auto frame, and then there's also the Claude Creator Mode version. So I've linked to the plugin and the templates down below in the description. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Now, if you want to learn how to automatically edit your content using Claude inside of Premiere Pro, then you can check out this video linked right here.